Do you want to add color to your hair but discouraged by the thought of damaging it? Or you are not sure of the color to use and don't want to add color permanently to your hair? Or maybe you had a bad experience with chemical dyes that made you swear never to add color to your hair. Hello lovely naturals, welcome to another video. Today's video is an alternative to adding color to your hair without dyeing or bleaching your hair permanently. Dyeing or bleaching your hair with chemical dyes mostly comes with more disadvantages than advantages. For example, your scalp can get sore depending on the products you use to dye your hair, and even worse, your hair could be damaged. Evidently, the better and safer option is to use either a natural braids, and that is very interesting. It has some sort of hold which can define your curl pattern without even trying hard. Hair paint wax can be easily applied directly to the hair. You could dampen your hair as you see in this video and apply it to your hair in sections. Some also apply it on dry hair, but the result is always almost the same. It can easily wash out and it doesn't stain clothes, albeit it won't stain your clothes, but it's advisable to wear hand gloves and a shirt you don't mind the paint getting onto. People sometimes over apply the wax paint thinking the color will be more vibrant. On the contrary, you don't need to apply a lot to make the color pop. Some brands go for lower saturation of color, so no matter how much you apply, it still remains kind of dull. Hair paint wax can last for about 3 days, though it will begin to fade away after 2 days. I hope this video will inspire you when you choose to add color to your hair. Comment your thoughts on this video. What's your favorite hair color and why? Please like this video, enjoy the rest of the video, and thank you in advance for watching to the end.